The factory of the future is more than just a vision for the manufacturing industry. But how will it work for your business? Let's take a look. With consumers demanding greater flexibility, the manufacturing industry must adapt and evolve. However, what can be done now to meet these future demands? Let us introduce our factory enablers who are already bringing the beyond to now. The first of our elite automation experts, the XDK sensor, is a flexible, secure IoT solution that offers new programming language for simplified development and captures the performance data of machines within your factory. The Nexeed will optimize the production process using its software that extends across the value chain, from the sensor to the machine automation to the cloud. Active Cockpit is an interactive communications platform that visually displays your required production data to ensure product quality, production uptime, and deadlines are met. IoT Gateway connects your existing and new machines. It's the rapid route to get your business fit for success and ready to take on challenges of the digital age. The APAS Assistant is a collaborative, flexible, and mobile robot with an integrated safety skin, allowing fast realization of new operations without the need for additional safety equipment. And finally, the Active Shuttle is an autonomous carrier that offers free programming and total control of each pallet, providing your business with maximum efficiency in the retooling process. This team of elite automation experts is making your factory of the future more than just a vision. For an introduction to the team of enablers, visit our website for further details. Bosch Rexroth. We move, you win.